Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your order history on the PetSmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a PetSmart account. And you want to go ahead and see your order history. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's open up the PetSmart app. Now, once you're logged in, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on account. And then from here, underneath shopping, you're going to click on purchase history. So what this is going to pull up is that it's going to pull up any online purchase histories that you've made. So this is where you could actually go ahead and see your order history on the PetSmart app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.